Nucypher is an organization that spotlights on giving information security and protection to their clients. The organization has proactively seen progress in its short presence and looks ready to go on with its development later on. The venture empowers clients to have full command over their information while imparting it to others in a solid and confidential manner. Nucypher can likewise be utilized to construct decentralized applications that are safer and private than those based on the Ethereum public blockchain. Nucypher's group continues to deliver new updates and acquainting inventive thoughts with the undertaking, so it's no big surprise numerous dealers are anxious to know now what its future value and its potential most extreme cost will be. How about we attempt to see if we will see the Nucypher value drop or ascend soon in our Nucypher conjecture? What is the Nucypher cryptographic money? Nucypher is a decentralized key administration framework that gives information security and protection. The organization was established in 2017 by Lane Wilkeson, Michael Igorov, and Alexander Bezopasny. Nucypher has brought $13 million up in financing from financial backers like Finbushi Capital, Polychain Capital, and Metastable Capital. The Nucypher network comprises of 3 sections. Umbrel, a key administration framework that permits clients to scramble and unscramble information with the assistance of intermediary re-encryption. Nodes, servers that run the Nucypher programming and produce keys for the Umbrel framework. Proxy re-encryption keys that are utilized to encode and decode information in the Umbrel framework. Nucypher's principal use case is information security. The organization gives a way to associations to share information without uncovering the basic information. Nucypher likewise offers information security as the keys used to encode and decode information are put away on the Nucypher organization. Nucypher Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nucypher will be around 27 cents. The most extreme expected new cost might be around 32 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 27 cents in 2023. Nucypher Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nucypher, in 2024, Nu is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 39 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Nucypher and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Nu cost could drop to 55 cents, while its greatest can reach 66 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nucypher by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Nu costs are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 83 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Nucypher. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Nu cost will be around $1.19. It could drop to at least $1.16. However, it actually could reach $1.44 all through 2027. Nucypher Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Nucypher. It is assessed that Nu will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.70 during the year. Nucypher Value Expectation 2029. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to report their assessments of Nucypher's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme Nu cost of $2.92. In any case, its rate could drop to around $2.46. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.54. Nucypher Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Nucypher cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Nu cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $3.49, with the conceivable greatest tops at $4.19. Overall, you can anticipate that the Nu cost should be around $3.62 in 2030. Nucypher Value Expectation 2031. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of Nucypher's cost. The year 2031 not set in stone by the most extreme Nu cost of $6.16. In any case, its rate could drop to around $5.24. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $5.42. Is Nucypher based on Ethereum? Indeed, Nucypher was based on Ethereum. Is Nucypher a wise speculation as long as possible? The venture has an unmistakable objective and an aggressive group behind it. It additionally appears to have strong help from retail and institutional financial backers the same. Be that as it may, you ought to do your own exploration prior to deciding, regardless of whether it's a good expansion to your portfolio. What is the utilization instance of Nucypher? The principal use instance of Nucypher is to give a decentralized key administration framework for applications based on Ethereum. For what reason is Nucypher a wise venture? Nucypher can be a wise venture as it has a great deal of likely purposes and applications. Furthermore, the undertaking has serious areas of strength for and of experienced engineers and counsels. It likewise has a great deal of local area support and has been upheld by some significant financial speculators. Where might you at any point purchase Nucypher? You can trade Nucypher on different crypto trades, as Coinbase, Poloniex, and Uniswap.